assignment is a redo on the Chapter 2 position time short answer question. I haven't graded your tests yet or finished grading them because I was finding that a lot of people weren't giving me enough detail on that 4-point question. And so I'm going to give you a chance to do it again. The way that you get to it is either from the agenda, so you can click here on Chapter 2 PT short answer redo, or it's also over here as an assignment. So I'm going to open that up really quickly and show you what it looks like. All right, so the first thing that you see when you open this is that you have the equations. I don't expect you to memorize those. So velocity is change in position over change in time. And then I also define change in position and change in time. And there is also a calculator for you to use. You'll have a graph that has several segments on it. And I want to just focus on the directions. So the first thing that you're going to do is to give me a made-up location, like a store, a friend's house, a park bench, whatever it happens to be, for your starting position. And I would like you to give me the position in meters. So you're going to have to go to the y-axis and tell me what the position is, as well as what that location or what that point represents location-wise. Then for each segment of the trip, I would like for you to tell me what the destination is for that segment. So for the first segment, if you started at, let's say, your house and you're walking towards your mother's house or toward a friend's house, you would tell me what the name of the location is for that segment, for the endpoint of that segment, and then the velocity. A lot of you didn't give me velocity, and velocity is meters per second with direction. So you'll use either a positive or a negative sign, unless it's 0, and tell me what the velocity is in meters per second. And then the reason that your velocity changes. So I started at my house and I started walking toward my mom's house because she's making cookies today. All right, so you're going to do that for each segment. So the location and position in meters, the velocity in meters per second, along with a plus or minus sign for the direction if it's appropriate, and the reason that your velocity changes. Now, most of you did really well with the scenario part. It's just these details that you didn't include. And then finally, write a title for the graph based on your scenario. So you can just write the word title, and then after that word, write what you would call this particular graph. Once you're done with this assignment, and it will be timed, you can see here when I open this, there's a 15-minute timer. I would like for you to read and take notes on chapter 3.1. So start getting the vocabulary into your notes and the information from 3.1. All right. If you've got questions, please email me. As soon as you understand the directions, you are free to leave the meeting and work on your assignment. Have a good day.